You know I made a film with AI, right?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's see it.
Welcome back. Today we're back on Higgsfield. I want to show you another workflow that I personally use all the time for my own creations. We'll try mixing different image and video models together and see how they work in a real scenario. In this video, I use Nano Banana Pro 4K for high-resolution image generation, WAN 2.6 to animate scenes with video that also includes audio, and the Multishot option, which automatically creates scenes with smart camera angles, like switching from one speaking character to another, changing perspectives in the environment, or adjusting the framing. I also use Cinema Studio to put together a short, fun B-movie style trailer. Let's go through how I created these scenes. I'll share a few simple but useful tips, and we'll also take a look at what's new on the platform. Let's start from the beginning. Personally, I prefer to create a starting image first, and then use it as the initial frame to animate with a video tool. This approach gives me much more control, because I'm using images to build and continue the scene step by step. It also allows me to control the look and structure of each scene more precisely, compared to generating a video directly. Video generations don't always turn out exactly as requested, and that can easily lead to wasted time and unnecessary costs with multiple retries. With a premium subscription like Higgsfield's, for example, which gives you unlimited generations with Nano Banana Pro, you can really take advantage of this workflow to carefully design your scenes without worrying about limits. So, my process usually starts in Nano Banana. I think scene by scene, connect them together by using previously generated images as input, and build an entire set and visual narrative one image at a time until the full scene comes together. Once I have the scenes ready, I move on to animation. On Higgsfield, we have access to all the top video models currently available, plus several tools that let us customize the generation beyond just writing a prompt. For example, we can choose the visual style, camera framing, and even the type of camera movement we want for each scene. For this part, I'm creating a small scene with two friends watching TV. Using WAN 2.6, we can set the video length, resolution, decide whether to include audio or not, and enable Multishot. I generated the video in 1080p with audio enabled, and I included in the prompt exactly what I wanted the two characters to say. Then I enabled Multishot, so the video automatically includes smart camera cuts and angles, like switching between the two characters as they speak, or changing the frame within the room, all directly inside a single generation. After that, I create a short trailer that's half serious and half B-movie style, using Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio is a powerful tool that lets you build scenes using multiple images from the same setup, already connected to each other, and then turn them into video. You can also generate videos by defining a first and last frame if you want, which is great for crafting more controlled, cinematic scenes. On top of that, you can choose the camera movement, as well as the type of camera and lens you want to use, to get exactly the cinematic look you're going for. This makes Cinema Studio extremely flexible and a great fit for different situations, whether you're aiming for something dramatic, stylized, or more playful like this B-movie trailer. I've been creating different types of content, and the platform has proven to be one of the most affordable and versatile options out there, both in terms of available models and creative tools. I've also had the chance to test other image models like Flux Z Images and Seedream, as well as video models like Kling 2.6, which you've already seen in some of my previous videos. It's a very powerful model, especially with its built-in audio support. By combining image and video models together, it's also possible to modify and refine existing scenes, which makes the platform extremely flexible compared to many other tools. If you want to try it out yourself, you'll find the link in the comments and in the description. There are always new offers available on the website, so you can jump in and start bringing your own ideas to life. Before wrapping up, I'll leave you with this small creation I made. It's a slightly comedic scene about two friends watching a B-movie. Style trailer created with AI by one of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
You know I made a film with AI, right?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's see it.
Superman, coming soon.
What was that supposed to be? Okay, maybe you're right.
Hey, follow Zeta Lux on this channel.